Hello Robie's Cuisine fans. Today I'm going to show you how to make some rice with lima beans. Let's go over the ingredients. I have my garlic powder, my oil, my complete seasoning powder, my cilantro powder. I'm using Lilly butter. I have my pepper and I stuck some cloves in it. I have my parsley and cilantro bunch tied together. I have my mixed spices, and for my mixed spices I use green onions, garlic, red and green peppers, parsley, cilantro, onions, all the goodies. And I have some salt. I also have my lima beans and my rice. I'm gonna be using this cup to measure everything. So I hope you guys are as excited as I am to make some rice with lima beans. Let's get cooking. We're about to start. So I have my pot and I have some oil in it, and I have my volume on 5. So I know my oil is already hot, so I'm gonna start by putting my mixed spices in my pot. Our water is boiling. Let's go ahead and wash the rice. Before you go ahead and add the rice into the pan, I will tell you to just go ahead and taste the water. Make sure there's enough salt. Once you do that, you can go ahead and add the rice. All right, the water is almost dry. Ooh, look at this beauty. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so the water is dry. What we're gonna do, we're gonna cover it up and we're gonna let it cook for about like 20 minutes. Just put it now on a low setting. I'm putting it on 3. All right. All we have to do is wait. It's been 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and see how our rice with lima beans looks like. Beautiful. This is the final result of our rice with lima beans. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. See you next time on another episode of Robie's Cuisine. Bon appétit. Love you guys.